5 power x minus 2 equal to 40. Then find out the value of x. First, given problem observation, 5 power x minus 2 equal to 40. Solution: 5 power x minus 2 equal to 40. 40 can write as prime factorization. 40 divided by compulsory by 2, y 1 space having 0, so 2 2 ja 0, another 2 1 0, 2 10 ja 2 5 ja 5 1 ja equal to 1 2 3 2 keep 5 power 1. 5 power x minus 2 equal to 40 can write as factorization form 2 keep 5 power 1. 5 power 1 transfer left side, 5 power x minus 2 इधर multiply करना, another side divide equal to 2 keep a power m by a power n equal to a power base equal exponents different, so m minus n, a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n, same as it is a power m by a power n, so a power m minus n, 5 power x minus 2 minus 1. 5 power x minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 2 keep equal 2 keep both side log applied log 5 power x minus 3 equal to log 2 keep log x power n equal to n log x, same log x power n form n, so x minus 3 equal to n transfer x minus 3 log 5, same as it is log x power n, n 3 log 2, x both side divide by log 5, x minus 3 log 5 equal to log 2 by log 5, both side log 5 cancel, x minus 3 equal to 3 log 2 by log 5, log 2 by log 5. Another formula apply, log a by log b, log a by log b, log a base b, x minus 3 equal to 3 log a by log b, same formula, log a by log b, log 2 base 5, minus 3 transfer right side, so plus 3 plus 3 log 2 base 5. This is answer. Check. LHS from problem LHS left hand side, problem 5 power x minus 2, 5 x plus x equal 3 plus 3 log 2 base 5 minus 2, 3 minus 2 1, 5 power 1 3 log 2 base 5. Formula a power m plus n equal to a power m plus n. Same 5 power m plus n, 5 power m plus n, 5 power m 5 power n, 3 log 2 base 5. Another formula, m log x equal to, m transfer either log x power m. 5 power 1 5 into 3 transfer m log x. So 2 5 power log 2 cube base 5. 5 into 5 2 cube 8 base 5. Log x a log x base a value x simple. So 5 log 8 base 5 total value equal to 8. 5 into 8 40 RHS.